So it's another day, and it's actually going to be a race today. I know a few of you, oh my god, my hair looks terrible. A few of you were saying, is it going to be an Odex next, or is it going to be a race? It's going to be a race. So we are at the Brownlee Centre in Leeds. I had to check then. Brownlee Centre in Leeds. We're going to do category 3 for crit in about 20 minutes or so. So I'm going to go and get on the course, do some laps. We did do a race here before, so it is sweltering though. Already I'm like, oh my god, I'm sweating so bad. So we're going to go and warm up. And yeah, so from Crimson, there's Jess, Alex and Hannah. So there's 4 of us. So see how we get on, I reckon. Get the old helmet on, get the shades on, and head out. As per last time, I'm on the Cannondale. So yeah, see you shortly. And then Jess is being a pro on the rollers. I'm just like, oh, let's go and do some laps on the thing. I did have rollers and I sold them, but maybe I should get some more for this kind of shenanigans.
Timekeeper, are you ready? Yep. You ready? You ready?
Well, that was an absolute disaster of a fail on my part. So, all lined up on the start line, feeling good. Me and the other Crimson girls stood there, I'm like, yes, feeling alright, feeling good, although I've got a bit of tummy ache. Anyway, so, all good, about to set off. Whistle goes. I can't get clipped in. I literally cannot get clipped in. I was stood at the front to go, everyone went past me. Every single person went past it and I still couldn't clip in. So for the first part I was pedalling with one leg and I probably got, so that's the start there. And I probably got to that corner before I clipped in. And then I was chasing the whole way around and there's a massive headwind coming down there and I just couldn't get back on. So me and another girl basically just TT'd for 45 minutes. So utter fail. Because all the other races that I've done have been like a rolling start, so you clip in and then you do like a rolling start and then you just go. So I need to practice my clipping in technique. It was just horrible. Every time I was going around, you could see the group and I was like, no, they're getting further away. But really nice, it's a really nice course, so I'll definitely be coming back to do it again. And I did enjoy it, but what a knobber, what an absolute knob. You can tell me how it was in the pack because I was on my own fucking thing. I couldn't clip in.
No, look, and I got to the blooming top hairpin. I still wasn't clipped in. I was like stabbing for the
anyway.
Sorry, that was your fault.
Why was it your fault? Oh god, are they cheese? They are cheese, aren't they? You're like, don't cheese. God, they stink of cheese.
One is sour cream. There's one sweet
cheese.
chilli. No, I went hard straight off the line. That's why.
I didn't. I couldn't clip. Let me get you all in. How was it? How? Did any of us play? Yay! Well done.
I got out of the corner and I was like, yeah.
Well done. That's epic.
With like 2 laps to go, and then with 1 lap to go, they kind of came past me here, and then just got around the outside, and then was first into the corner at the end. So
that's amazing. You got 5th. Well done. Give me a hug. Well done. I am back. I cannot say that I'm not disappointed because I am kicking myself for not even being able to clip in, but I did really enjoy it, even though, you know, I didn't manage to ride with the rest of the pack. I still enjoyed it. It was still like 45 minutes of just pushing it, so still got a good little workout out of it, and it was such a nice night. It was just such nice weather, and obviously it's nice just catching up with the rest of the team and then all the other women that were riding. So yeah, I really did enjoy it, even though it was not the ideal outcome. And Jess got 5th place, so she did really, really well. So I'm really pleased for her with that. Yeah. What else is there to say? What do you actually want to see on these race videos? Because it's quite difficult to actually get footage of the actual race. I did try and I asked the guy who was taking pictures, I was like, oh, because he had the same camera, I was like, please, would you mind just take a little bit of video? Anything you can get at all would be really appreciated. So yeah, that was very, very kind of him to do that. It's just really hard to get any of the footage. So is there anything else that you would like to see from race day videos? Because I do like sharing them. I like letting you know what I've learned from that particular race. You can learn on my racing journey. So today's lesson is practice clipping in. on a start, because every other race that I've done, they've always had like a rolling start, so you kind of clip in, start riding, and then they'll just kind of then let you go, rather than it being like a whistle and it's like, right, get clipped in and off you go. I need to probably practice doing that a little bit more. And then, yeah, I reckon that is pretty much it. So I hope you have enjoyed. I have enjoyed it, even though, yeah, it wasn't the ideal outcome. I did really enjoy it, and I still really like racing, and I'm still very new to it, so I'm just sharing the learning journey with you, and I hope that you enjoy it. So yeah, I think that is it now. Probably go and watch Love Island. I do love all that. I love, actually, in the last video. Was it the last video? I don't know. I asked you what all your like guilty pleasures were. There were some corkers. I think my favourite, someone said Lorraine, like Joe Lorraine in the like on, what is it on? Is it on 3? If you're in the UK, you'll know it's like Lorraine. She's this like Scottish woman. I love that, as if that's like a guilty pleasure. I love that. What were some of the other ones? Corrie. Someone said Coronation Street. That was quite a good one. But yeah, and Made in Chelsea. Made in Chelsea used to be my old guilty pleasure, but then that got replaced with Love Island, because Made in Chelsea's just got rubbish. And I will see it. Actually, we're going to have another race video. It probably will be up this week, so keep an eye out. Keep your eyes peeled for that. And fingers crossed, I actually get clipped in for that one. So, yeah, I'll see you next video.